Hello, my students. Welcome to my channel. Today's lesson is all about higher level concepts. I will guide you through it step by step. I will solve 1H 2018 May. Okay, let's break it together. The first sheet is a formula sheet. You can use it along your test. Question number 1. Okay. The table shows information about the weight of 40 parcels. Okay, we have the number 40. We have a table. The first column, weight of parcels kilogram. We have double inequality. P more than 0 and less than or equal 1. In double inequality, we read it from the middle. P more than 0 and less than or equal 1 or smaller than or equal 1. The first class is 19. The second from 1 to 2, 12. From 2 to 3, 5. From 3 to 4, 2. From 4 to 5, 2. Okay. My first question is A. The first part is A. Write down the model class. What is the model class? The most repeated class. The most repeated class. Here we have frequency. What is frequency? Frequency is the number of repetition. So I will go to the big number, here, or the greatest number here. I don't want the number. I need the class of this number, which will be P more than 0 or less than or equal 1. This is my model class, the most repeated class. Okay. Before we take number B, work out the estimate the mean. What is the mean, my student? The mean equal sum over number. So I have to find the sum, okay, and the number he gives me, number 40. Here, before we find the sum, we wanted to know, to remember the mid class equal a lower limit plus the upper limit over 2. For example, here is the lower limit of the class. This is the upper limit of the class. So before we find it, we must the mid class of each class. So number 1, 0 plus 1 over 2 equal 0.5. This is 0.5, the number 1. And the second one, 1 plus 2 over 2, it will be 1.5. So it will be 1.5. You see, my students, the difference between the lower limits along the all classes is 1, and also the difference between the upper limit of the classes is equal 1. So we can add 1 along the mid intervals or mid class. 2.5, 3.5, and 4.5. Okay. Add 1, or you do make it normally by using this rule. So we find the sum first. We multiply the mid class to with frequency. Mid class times 19, its frequency. 1.5 times 12 plus 2.5, 2.5 times 5 plus 3.5 times 2 plus 4.5 times 2. You can calculate it. It will be 56. So I find my mean, 56. Divide the number of parcels. It will be 1.4. So my answer is 1.4. Okay, this is question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, when you read the problem, try to summarize the problem to make it summary for the information you have. There are some people, people may be children, maybe adults. Okay, 3/5 of people in the cinema are children. So children, adult, 2 people. We know people may be children or adults. So if the ratio of the children is 3 and people 5, so the adults is 2. From where we get to, we subtract 5 and 3. 5 minus 3 give you 2. Okay, then for the children in the cinema, the number of boys to the number of girls is 2 to 7. Okay, and children also boys and girls. So number of girls, because you start with girls, number of boys, number of children. Okay, we have 2 for girls, 7 for boys, for sure 9 for the children. We make sum here, we make difference. Okay, what we have, normally the first line for the ratio and second line for the values. 170 for the girls here. Okay, work out the number of adults. Okay, I will must find the number of children first, but he asked me about the number of adults. I know if I know the number of the children, okay, I simply find the number of the adults. Okay, so we make value of part 170 divided by 2 equal 85. So the number of children, we take the ratio of the children 9 times 85, it will be 765. We can go to the first ratio, number of children 765, and we will find the number of adults with the same idea. 765 divided by 3 equal 255. So the number of adults equal 255 times 2 equal 510. So my number of adults will be 510. Normally boys, girls, children, adults, people. Okay, it's a famous ratio. This is question number 2. Question number 3. Simplify y power 5 times y power 9. In multiplication, we add powers, so 5 plus 9 equal y power 14. So my answer is y power 14. Simplify 2m power 3 all power 4. Here power 4 for the 2 and the m. It means 2 power 4 m power 3 power 4. When you have 2 powers over each other, we multiply it. So it will be 16 m power 12. We calculate 2 power 4 and we repeat m power 3 4 times. It means m power 12. Okay. Number C, solve 5x plus 3 equal 3x minus 5. Here we have, if you have a number in front of a bracket, you must distribute this number first. So I must distribute 5 5x multiply 5 all over the terms inside the bracket. Then we collect like terms. 3x come here with different sign, and also 15 go to the other side. We collect like terms. Like term is the same variable and the same power. And here we write the owner of the site first. We calculate coefficients. It will be 2x. Negative 4 plus negative 15, it will be negative 19. Okay, so we get rid of the coefficient of x. We divide by 2. So x equal negative 19 over 2. Okay, and write your answer here. Okay, here question number D, first part, factorize the algebraic expression. Okay, mean we will open two brackets. First step, we check the sign of the constant. It will negative. It means I have two different sign for my brackets, and 24 is the product and 2 is the difference. I'm looking for two numbers. Their product is 24, and here x squared, x here and x here. I have two conditions. Which one? The product is 24 and the difference is 2. So what is the factors of 24? 1 times 24, it's a difference 23. No. 4 times 6 is difference is 2. Yes. Where I put 6, where I put 2. The big number takes the sign of the middle. The sign of the middle is positive. Okay, so it will be 6, and here is 4. So my factorization, x plus 6, x minus 4. Solve, and you find the value of the given unknown. I'll find the value of x. From the previous step, we take the two factors, or so x equal negative 6, x equal 4. 6 go to the other side with different sign, and the same is 4. So my answer is negative 6 or 4. This is question number 3.